Hello and welcome. Here is a meditation for healing. This can be used as a healing meditation for yourself. If you do any kind of body work, massage, Reiki, any kind of touch therapy, this is a really good way to recharge yourself and the energy that you're pouring into your clients. So let's go ahead and begin. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. And if you've discovered this channel, it's because Kundalini Yoga has called you. And in its calling of you, it's asking for you to awaken your consciousness, to be more open, more awake, alive, and aware. And all of that requires a bit of curiosity. So I'm glad you found it, and I'm glad you're here. Here is the beginning of our practice. Sit up tall and straight. Take a moment to loosen up your body. Choose a seated position that feels comfortable and allows you to sit with a tall, straight spine. Take a moment now and close your eyes. Become aware of your center of gravity. And as you align with the gravitational pull of your spine, you connect to the center of the earth. The center of the earth is connected to the gravitational pull of the sun. And the sun is the center of the galaxy, the universe. And so think about all of those adjustments that you're making right now and notice how the universe also chimes in. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We're using a mantra, a sound vibration to tune in, to call on our highest consciousness in order to fulfill this practice. Close your eyes now. Sit up tall and straight. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale and let's begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Gurudev Namo. Om Gurudev Namo. The healing and sacred sounds of Gurmukhi, calling on the teacher within. Feel your fingers as they press into each other. And if you use your job for any profession, for cooking, for moving other people, for touching your babies, your children, your partner, whoever you come into contact with your hands, know that this is all about you healing for yourself and impacting them. So let's begin now. We'll start with a hand massage. And so taking the fingers of one hand, start to massage all the fingers of each hand. So here, middle finger, ring finger, and baby finger. And taking a few moments to massage the palms and then right into the thumbs. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side, starting with the thumbs, using firm pressure to massage all the fingertips. All the fingertips, just about a minute here, taking care of sensitizing the hands so that as we do this meditation, we really get to feel all of the benefits. So ending with the baby finger and then bringing the hands together, giving a little rub here and a little shake out. Bring the fingertips together, press deeply, inhale here, and exhale, drop your fingers all the way down. Inhaling as you come up and exhaling as you go down, and just play with your fingers here and create a little more sensation. If you spent time at a keyboard or a small device, you know that these areas get a little tense. So we're just spending a bit of time undoing any tension. Good. So from here now we begin the meditation. This is a meditation where all you have to do is focus your energy. So tuck your elbows into the sides of your ribs and then bring your hands in front of you so that the palms are facing each other. So I'm going to hold it up a little bit higher, but you can drop this down to just in front of your heart if that's more comfortable. Close your eyes now, keep them a tiny bit open, allow a little bit of light, and focus all of your awareness now and your breath on inhaling, feeling a circuit of white light from the base of your spine all the way up through the top of your head. Inhale the energy up and exhale it down. And as you do that, inhaling, bringing the energy up as white light, and exhaling all the way down, feel the energy traveling into your fingertips. So remember, the fingers are stiff, firmly held, elbows are hugging the ribs. Feel the connection between the fingertips, even though you're not even touching. Feel the energy running in between your hands. Inhaling energy all the way up through the spine and exhaling down. Inhaling for 4, draw the energy upwards. And exhale, releasing the energy downwards. Tiny little sliver of light, letting your eyes be open just a little bit. Feel the connection between your hands, just making any small adjustments to help yourself be comfortable here. Just about another minute or so, holding steady. Creating healing for yourself, creating healing for your clients, your family, your customers, whoever you come into contact with that needs your loving touch. Last few seconds here. Hold yourself very steady. Inhale very deeply. And extend your arms all the way out to your sides. Palms are facing downwards. Hold and stretch. Give a lift to your chest, to your chin. And take one more breath right here. One more time. And exhale, slowly, gracefully bring your palms back together. And we close off exactly where we started, and that is to close the eyes, observe the breath, notice the impact of just a few moments of focused meditation. We end with a long Sat, short Nam. Sat Nam means truth is my name. The truth is there is no I, only we. Sat Nam. Taking a moment to bow in reverence to your highest self, to your energy and your motivation, your dedication, your commitment to lifting yourself up, to making yourself and the world a better place, a more safe container, using the power of Kundalini yoga, your breath, the mantra, in order to bring about a shift in consciousness. It's been a pleasure to be with you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you want to get in touch, all the links and all the ways to work with me are below. I particularly love to see you in a discovery call for our teacher training program. That's the next step. Lots of love. Until next time.